welcome all. In this video, we are going to learn how we can active or inactive a control using if-else conditional. So, and that is also in runtime, because activating and inactivating runtime is little difficult, little logic you need to use. The way you are doing in design time is very easy. Fine. So let's go to the Visual Basic editor and learn. So this is Visual Basic editor. In this editor, I'm going to do a program on radio button. So I'm keeping some radio button before I'm taking a frame. Before I'm taking a frame. Okay. In this frame, I'm just keeping three radio buttons. For what this frame I have taken, let me specify here. So I wrote here select stream, stream, stream. It means suppose we are designing a program for a college, and in that college there are three streams, that is science, arts and commerce. So we are just specifying the stream here in radio button. So taking a radio button here and drawing inside, okay, and specifying here science. Fine. Now copying this, Control C, and pasting the string and choosing here yes. Okay, because we know index control array we know, so we are choosing here yes. So now see, the content is coming there. We can bring the content to ahead, and as well as we can specify here commerce. Fine. The same way we can paste it again to bring another stream, that is suppose arts. So it is up to you. I'm just going with three stream, that is science, commerce and arts. So I kept three stream. So what I meant to do, my motto is, when I click on the stream, the respective subjects will appear here. If I'm clicking on the science, so what are the respective subjects will appear here. Clicking on commerce will appear here the respective subjects. Same way for arts also. So that is what my motto is. So that is how the content can be appear on runtime. Okay, that is our motto is. So let's design the form now for science stream. So we are taking again frame, because frame is the control which can hold other controls. So I took here a frame, and name of this frame or the caption of this frame I am making as science stream, because it will show you the subjects in science stream. So I can make subjects in science stream, okay, it looks good. So inside I will keep some label, and in that label I will specify the subject name. So the subject name here I am specifying as suppose English. Fine. Same way I am just copying this and pasting. And in this case, don't choose yes, choose no, because we are not going to write any kind of coding for the label. So just choose no, and we can place it here. And one more thing, students, when we are specifying the label or any content inside the frame, better to paste it inside the frame. Paste inside the frame. See, it is pasting inside the frame. So the difference will be what? If you keep it outside, pasting outside and pasting inside, the difference will be what you check. When I'm moving the frame, from one place to another place, the content inside also is getting moved. The content you kept inside the frame also will get moved from one place to another. That is the advantage. It means you need not to worry about whether if you are moving the frame and the content will be here and there. Okay, that headache you need not to keep. So now after English I am just putting some other subjects, then I am showing you. Now student, check, the design is done. So if I click on the science, this particular frame will appear on my screen and all these subjects will be visible. Same way, another two frame I need to create. One is for subject in commerce and one is subject in arts. Okay, so let me finish that. Now student, check, I just copied this entire frame and pasted again here and here for commerce and for science. Fine. So for commerce I need to change the subject. So let me change them. So here I am changing the commerce, suppose financial management. Fine, financial management. Okay, then I'm doing suppose business management. Just roughly I'm giving some name, bio and IT, let it be. So bio I'm suppose removing and writing suppose IT, and in this case all okay. Physics, chemistry I'm just removing and write here suppose you say science, and you say suppose here in this case I'm writing geography, and in this case I'm writing suppose uh, computer science. Fine, computer science. Okay, so this is what three frame is done, the design is done. Now my motto is what? If I click on the science, then this will appear, and if I click on the commerce, then this science and arts will disappear and commerce will appear on screen. So how it will appear and how it will disappear, that is what our motto. See, active and inactive a control using if else control. So that is what our motto is. So what we have to do now, just keep all this, just remember the name of this frame. This is frame 2, this is frame 3, and this is frame 4. So let off them by default, let off them, off in the sense double click on the form load and write here frame 2 visible dot visible equal to false. Fine. Same way you copy for 3 as well as for 4. Just change here 3 and 4. So it means all the frame will be invisible. All the previous program is activated. Let me check it. Let me change it. Okay. Now let's check. See. Now see all the frame is not visible. The frame is not visible on the screen. So what we have to do now? All the frame I made here visibility false. So now go here and keep all these frame one after another. Keep, just adjust it very nicely. Yeah. Okay. Then this also. You have to keep it one after another. I'm just showing you faster way. So it's not properly done, but still it is okay. Now you double click on this button, the radio button, and write the coding here. Select case index. Fine. Then what you have to write below and select. So if the case is 0, then which form will appear? Frame number, which frame, sorry, frame 2 dot visible will be what? True, and other frame will be false. So you have to copy and paste for other, and you have to do here what? 1 is false, and frame 3 also will get false. Only the frame 2, sorry, 2, 3, 4, not 2, 3, and this is 4 will get false. Same way, case 1, then what will happen? Case 1 means who will be false and who will be true. Case 1 means the first one will become false and this will become true. Okay, that will be false, the 4 will be false. Next way, case 2, we have to do here false, and this is true. The one you are clicking will be true and other will be false. So let's check now. Now see, nothing is there, nothing supposed to be there. Because of science is clicked, so science is appearing by default. Go to commerce, see, arts, understood? It's flickering here, it's flickering because as I told, when you design you have to keep it exactly on it, so that it will appear on the same screen. So you won't able to know the difference that who is appearing, who is disappearing. Just now check. Still it is flickering because the design is not done exactly properly. So this is how the thing can be done. So by default the science is selected, that's why it is coming. Suppose you want to deselect them, so selecting the science button here, you can check the value. What it is written, false. Visibility also false. That's why it is happening like this. You can reduce the size because size we don't require to make so much. Okay, if you don't want to active anyone from the beginning, you can make here radio 1 dot, what we have the button name, radio button 1 dot, what the name, please check. Just check the name here, what it is. It is option 1, sorry, option 1.0. Fine. So we need to make, so the program by running you can check whether it's working properly or not. It's working. It means we are having, see, only one frame is showing in runtime, but we are having actually 3 frames, one after another we kept. Fine.